Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 5th, 2026, and we're diving into Essex Property Trust's fourth quarter and full year 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Essex Property Trust, a leading real estate investment trust, has just released its latest earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack, from their financial performance to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Essex Property Trust reported a net income of $1.25 per share for the fourth quarter of 2025, a significant drop from $4 in the same quarter last year. John, what are the key factors behind this decline?
The decline in net income is primarily due to gains on the sale of real estate and land, as well as gains on remeasurement of co-investments in the prior year. However, it's important to note that their Core FFO per share increased by 15% to $3.98, driven by favorable same-property revenue growth of 3.8%.
That's an interesting point. Despite the drop in net income, the core operations seem to be performing well.
Absolutely. The growth in same-property revenue and net operating income indicates strong underlying performance, which is crucial for a real estate investment trust like Essex.
Investment and liquidity position. Essex has been active on the investment front, acquiring 7 apartment communities for $829.4 million and disposing of 5 for $563.8 million. How does this impact their financial health?
These strategic acquisitions and dispositions are part of Essex's ongoing efforts to optimize their portfolio. The acquisitions are expected to enhance their revenue streams, while the dispositions help in reallocating capital efficiently. Additionally, with over $1.7 billion in liquidity, Essex is well positioned to seize future opportunities.
It seems like they have a solid strategy in place. How does this liquidity position benefit them?
Having substantial liquidity allows Essex to manage debt obligations, fund new investments, and navigate any market uncertainties with greater flexibility.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Essex has reported a same-property NOI growth of 3.8% for Q4 2025. What does this tell us about their operational efficiencies?
This growth reflects Essex's ability to manage operating expenses effectively while increasing revenue. Their focus on operational efficiencies is evident in their ability to maintain high occupancy rates and optimize rental income.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Essex in 2026?
Essex has provided a 2026 Core FFO guidance midpoint of $15.94 per share, indicating stable performance expectations. They also issued $350 million in 10-year senior unsecured notes at a 4.875% interest rate, which will help in refinancing existing debt and supporting future growth initiatives.
Key takeaways. In summary, Essex Property Trust has demonstrated resilience with a 2.2% growth in Core FFO for the full year 2025 and a same-property revenue growth of 3.3%. Their strategic investments and strong liquidity position them well for 2026. John, any final thoughts?
Essex's focus on core operations and strategic capital allocation bodes well for their future performance. Investors should keep an eye on their ability to maintain growth amid market conditions.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Essex's performance in the comments below.